Hi, my name is Vas and welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna explain what's ISO. I know you can ask on Google, but I'm gonna show you, as you know, reading and seeing is two things different. And alright, so I've got a drone here, I got a camera, I got a phone and I got an action camera. They all have in common three things. You got shutter speed, ISO and aperture. And today we're gonna stick only with ISO. I've got a little body as well here. I'm gonna show you later. So to understand what's ISO, it's basically how sensitive is the camera to the light. So example, let's say in this room I got enough lighting for my camera to have ISO 200. But if I'm gonna increase, let's say I'm gonna increase my ISO to, let's say, 500, you might say maybe a bit overexposed. So you're gonna understand that the camera is more sensitive to the lighting than it was before. If I'm gonna increase more, you're gonna see me. So let's have a look now again. Let's put you 1000. Here you go. So you see me a bit well, probably it's not a bit, but it's a lot overexposed. So the environment is very overexposed. And let's put it back to 200. So you can see 200 is back to normal. We've got enough lighting here, and I think that's the most important for you to know. If you got more ISO, it means your photo or video quality will be more noisy or grains. I'm gonna show you in the next video or next part. And so let's show now different thing with little body. Same example with ISO. So here is a little body, as you can see. The ISO is 100, and let's have a look. Let's increase this ISO to, oops, that's not ISO, sorry, my bad. Here you go, ISO. Let's put this one auto, and let's put ISO. As you can see, the ISO here it's 160, and let's have a look. Let's increase it, and that's because the shutter speed is set to auto. Okay, let's have a look now again. So as you can see, because the shutter speed, put 200. Okay, cool. So as you see now, the ISO so here you go, little buddy. The ISO is 500, and let's drop it to 50. As you can see, it's really dark. That's because the ISO is very low and the camera is not as sensitive to the lighting as it was before. We can add a bit more lighting. Here you go. And as you can see, it looks a bit better. And also that's because the ISO is very low. You're gonna have less noise or less grain on your footage, which is really important. And if you're gonna shoot during the day, make sure you have very low ISO. And save again, if I'm going to increase the ISO again, as you can see, the image is getting really overexposed and well, you don't want that footage. So let's drop it back to 50. As you can see, it's really smooth and it's really in focus. So you always need to make sure you got very low ISO depending on the circumstances and environment. Thank you for watching, guys, my video. And if you enjoyed watching my video, please feel free to subscribe and support my channel. Thumbs up as well. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask them below, or you can join any forums I own on the linked descriptions, and we can chat more about photography and videography on there. Thank you, guys, and I'll see you next video.